guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. What a beautiful fall morning. It is almost 80 degrees, but guess what? Next week we are getting freezing temperatures. And of course the duck's got to talk right now. She's probably gonna lay an egg. So what's going on is since freezing temperatures are coming, I have to cut down the loofah that's behind me, and we have to harvest some of our herbs here, and we'll get them hanging up and drying because we want that cilantro that we've worked so hard to get. The peas should be okay as long as it's not frost after frost. Our broccoli isn't near ready because I started it a little late. Hopefully I'll still get a harvest out of it. We'll cover up the carrots and protect those a little more. We'll add more mulch around our carrots. We're not doing this all today, but we're going to get it done. We'll cover up the broccoli and the cauliflower with frost fabric. We'll protect our garlic here with some more mulch all around, leaves or pine needles. And then we have to get this broccoli over here and that cauliflower over there covered with some frost fabric, and we'll do that probably next, closer to the frost time. But today we are going to be harvesting the loofah so that it can dry inside. We can't have a frost hit that, or it will go bad on us. And we will also harvest a lot of our cilantro. So let's get to it. But they will dry like this, green, as long as they're kept out of you don't want a place with a lot of humidity. So these are actually going to go in the house and dry in the house. gonna do with that is I'm gonna put some fresh in the fridge. What I'll do is I'll put it in a bag after I clean it, and then put it in there with a wet wash or towel. And then the rest of them I will probably just dry and then put it in a shaker. So. Okay guys, here a real quick video. Make sure that you got everything tucked in for the fall or the first frost. I've got my cauliflower here, not cauliflower. I got my carrots tucked in, and over here I got my carrots tucked in, and my garlic's nicely tucked in, with just a bed of leaves over them. Especially if you've got green coming up from your garlic, you really want to tuck those in and make sure that they're covered. My my carrots over here are tucked in. We are getting our first frost next week, and I will continue doing this. Plus I do have some frost fabric for things like my cabbage over here that hasn't developed a head yet, so I really want to get that tucked in. It looks like we're starting to work on a head on these, so I really want to get those nicely tucked in so I get that head, and over here too. So there we go. That's how the garden looks, and sorry about the wind. That's what happens when a storm is coming in. So everything's getting nicely tucked in. I'm going to go turn off the water, and we're done for the day, but I will continue to do this until I get all of my beds covered. Even though these ones don't have anything yet, I'm going to get everything covered in leaves, and then maybe even pine needles. And as I was in the woods collecting leaves, I found 2 partially burned pieces of wood that have broken down or started to break down. What an awesome thing to put in your bed. I would have put it in the bottom of my bed if I didn't have these beds already ready to go. But we're just going to leave them on top. So there you go. All right. See you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead, and God bless.